Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us a premium smartwatch and it's the Honor Watch GS3. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll show you the features. So starting with the unboxing, in the front of the box we have the model name Honor Watch GS3 along with the picture of the smartwatch. And now let's open the box and show you the content. So guys, here we have our smartwatch and this is a silicone strap variant. And apart from that, Honor Watch GS3 is available in the leather strap and you have the classic gold and the ocean blue color option. And guys, my first impression is that this smartwatch does look and feel premium, especially this stainless steel body. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the documentation and then here we have the charging dock and the USB Type-C charging cable. And for charging, you just need to place the watch on the top like this. And guys, about the charging, in this smartwatch, you get the fast charging support which will give you 1 day of battery backup with just 5 minutes of charge. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Honor Watch GS3 is a premium looking smartwatch. Looking at the design and build quality, I find the design very good and the build quality no doubt feels amazing. The stainless steel body of this watch looks elegant and on the wrist, this watch looks pretty good. In terms of the straps, we have two options, leather and the silicone strap. And this one we have here is the silicone strap, which gives a more casual look and feel. The weight of the watch is 44 grams. And during our testing, we found this smartwatch very comfortable on the hand. In terms of the overview, in the front we have the 1.43-inch AMOLED display and you get the 3D curved glass. The resolution of the display is 466 by 466 pixels. At the right side of the watch, we have the function buttons and at the back, we have the sensors. And guys, in this smartwatch, you get the 8-channel heart rate AI engine with over 97% accuracy. Apart from that, at the back we have the charging points, speaker and mic for Bluetooth calling. So overall the Honor Watch GS3 is a beautiful looking smartwatch. It's slim and design and build quality wise, we find this smartwatch very good. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here we have the app Honor Health and right now you can use this smartwatch with only Android phones. But in future, you will be able to use this smartwatch with the iOS devices with an OTA update. So here it is on and paired with our phone. Now let me show you the watch features. So guys, the first thing we noticed here is this beautiful looking AMOLED display. It's crisp and clear and the viewing angles are also pretty good. Now in terms of the controls and gestures, so here we are on the watch face and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And of course, you can add more watch faces through the companion app. So swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings. And here we have the DND, screen on, find phone, alarm and the settings of the watch. And at the bottom, you can see the battery status and the date and time. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the notification history. And by swiping left or right on the watch face, you can access quick apps. And here we have the heart rate, stress monitoring, weather, music and so on. To access the main menu, you need to press the top button once. And here we have the workouts. And guys, in this smartwatch, we get over 100 plus workout modes, which includes 10 professional workout modes. And during workouts, you can see the GPS status. And by the way guys, in this smartwatch, you get the dual frequency GLONASS for precise positioning. And this will record and track your running and cycling route accurately. And during workouts, you get the voice prompts. And here you can see the fitness data. And also, you can listen to the music on the watch itself or use a Bluetooth True Wireless earphones. And then we have the GPS positioning along with the sunlight timings. Now coming back to the main menu, then we have the workout records which will show you the workout history. After that we have the workout status which will show you a score based on your weekly workouts. After that we have the activity records and here we have your today's fitness data. And then we have the call logs and as it's a Bluetooth calling watch, you can see the call logs here. After that we have the contacts which you can sync through the app and from here you can make a call to your favorite contacts. After that we have the music and as mentioned earlier you can listen to the music from the watch itself or use a True Wireless earphones. Then in the menu we have the heart rate and about the heart rate you get the continuous heart rate monitoring in this smartwatch. And about the data, it's quite accurate and company claims 97% accuracy with the 8-channel heart rate AI engine. Then in the menu we have the sleep. And here you can see your last night's sleep details. And here as well, the accuracy is very good. Then in the menu we have the SpO2 monitoring. And in this smartwatch, the detection is quite fast. And also, you get the auto SpO2 option, which will measure the SpO2 throughout the day and will let you know when the SpO2 reaches below a certain level. After that, in the menu, we have the stress monitoring, and here also you get the all-day stress monitoring. Then in the menu, we have the breathing exercises, which will help you to calm yourself down. And then we have the weather, and guys, here we have the current weather conditions along with the hourly forecast as well as the forecast for upcoming few days. And that's not it. You can see the sunlight timings as well as the moonrise and moonset timings and also the moon phase. And then in the menu we have the usual alarm, stopwatch, timer with some preset timers, and then we have the compass, and after that we have the air pressure, and here you can see the current air pressure, and also you get the altimeter in this smartwatch. After that we have the flashlight, find phone, and then lastly we have the settings of the watch. In these settings, first we have the earphone settings by which you can connect a true wireless earphones. After that we have the watch faces, and here you can turn on the always on display, and for this you have quite a few options. And then in the settings we have the display and brightness, and here you can see we get the auto brightness support in this smartwatch. Then we have the volume to turn on the notification sound, and after that we have the vibration settings, D&D, down button function by which you can set the shortcut app to open when you press the down button. By default it's the workouts. And then in the settings we have the pin to lock the watch, workout settings, here you can turn on the always on display while workout and also enable the auto workout detection. And lastly we have the systems, and in this you can power off, reset and restart the smartwatch. So that's all the features we have in the watch, and feature wise we think it's pretty good and you get a lot of features in this watch. And to be honest, in this price we're getting lots of good features and options in this watch. Now let me quickly show you the companion app Honor Health. So here we are on the home page, and here we have the step count along with the calories burned and distance traveled. And then below it we have the health data, and here you can see the heart rate, sleep, SpO2 and the stress monitoring data. And when you tap on any of these cards, you can see the historical data. On the next page we have the exercise, and from here you can start the running, walking and cycling workout. And then we have the device page, and here you can see the connected device on the top, and then below it we have the watch face market, and in this you have a lot of beautiful looking watch faces. Then in the settings we have the weather, music, and from here you can transfer the music to your watch. And about that, this smartwatch comes with the 4GB storage, out of which approximately 2GB is available. Then we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, here you can accept the call or send a quick reply message. About the performance, the speaker output is loud and the mic performance is also very good. Now let me show you the app notifications. And guys, here you can see we don't have the preset replies, and also you have no emoji support in this watch, which is little disappointing. Then in the settings we have the health alert, and from here you can turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring and also the stress monitoring. Apart from that, we have the frequent contacts which you can sync through the app, and then lastly we have the other settings, and here you can enable the Bluetooth disconnection alert and also the race to wake feature. And about the performance, it's very good, and the response time is also very less. And also you can turn off the display by just covering the screen with your palm. But one thing which is missing in this watch, and that is a double tap to wake up the screen. So overall the Honor Watch GS3 is a premium looking smartwatch at a mid-range price. The build quality is amazing and I find the design very good, and this watch does look and feel premium on the hand. The battery backup is one of the strong points of this watch, and in the moderate usage I notice a 10% dip every day, which means I will easily get 10 days of battery backup, and that too with the continuous heart rate, SpO2 and the stress monitoring. And also the quick charge support is very helpful, and in just 10 minutes of charge you will get 1 to 2 days of battery backup. About the performance, the fitness data is by far the most accurate we have seen in a smartwatch in this price segment. The display is also good and the touch response is also decent. There are few things which are worth mentioning, that we don't have the NFC chip in this watch in India, and also you won't be able to use this smartwatch with your iOS device. Nonetheless, this smartwatch offers a lot of premium features at a mid-range price, and if you're in the market to buy a smartwatch in around 15,000 rupees, then we highly recommend you to check out the Honor Watch GS3. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was our review of the Honor Watch GS3 smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.